Welcome to Cali, Colombia, and I'm here getting my Arepa de Choclo. If you're wondering what that tastes like, it tastes like a homemade corn muffin, but it's made with a lot of love, and it's made fresh by the hands of a family, and they put it right in a nice oven. You can get it with butter or with cheese. I'm allergic to cheese, so I'm just going to get it with the butter, and it's really good. ¿Quiere una? ¿Quiere probar? Es rico. Me da 2 para llevar con mantequilla, porfa. Sorry if the camera was shaking, I had to get my money out. This is gonna go great with some eggs. When I'm eating this, the diet starts tomorrow. 8,000 pesos para dos. Qué rico. Gracias, mi amable. Tengas buenas noches. Chao. 8,000 pesos.